Okay, guys. Hello. How you guys doing? Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde. Today we're gonna make poul avec noix. Ok? Ça c'est manger mon au cap. C'est au cap yo plus fait manger ça. Mais mon l'autre côté Haïti, nous même nous apprendre faire, nous fait tout. Mais plus c'est au cap recipe ça sorti. Ok? Et mon au cap moi au cap tandem nan la. Bon bagay. Alright. So, mgen viande mwen la ki deja netwaye. Et si nou pa kont ki jan pou netwaye viande, marine viande, ale sur YouTube channel mwen, Lizna Cooking, pou nou wè ki jan fè sa. Okay? My meat is already nice and clean. If you don't know how to clean your meat, go to my channel, Lizna Cooking, and you see how I do it. Alright. Now, I don't have the green season, the Caribbean season, the Haitian Caribbean season. So, you know, if you don't have the green season, you know, and you have everything, you know, you used to put on it, just cut them and put in the meat is the same thing. Okay? Bagay pi sa isi m kon blende ya, mais mwen gen tout bagay ke m fè epis haïtien yo. So, mba perdi tan mal blende kounya la, mba sou blende bagay. Nou chak nan la vi ya gonjou, nou ba vle fè sa, nou ba vle fè sa. Ok? Si nou an krashe yo kon sa, jan nou wè la nou mette nan viande nan, se même rezultat. Manje ap gou même jan. So, I have persil and thyme here. Peppers. And that's green onion. Green onion nan se sa, meni, mkoupel. Mgenye piment, mgenye zonyon, onion, hot pepper, tomato, and this is my garlic. And I have my complete seasoning. And I have my paprika. You see? And I have some mojo. That's all you need to marinate your meat, okay? That's all I'm gonna use moi-même. Se bagay sa yo m'sot montre nou an la, m'bral utilize pou mariner viande mwen. Okay? Bon m'pren viande nan met la, meni. Kounya la m'a mette l'ail mwen la dan, garlic. So, I have one hand I put gloves, and this hand I'm gonna touch the thing with it. I'm trying not to, you know. I put my garlic. Oh, where is my microphone? Okay. My garlic. I put my garlic. I put a little bit of mojo. Antikas mojo. And yon ti complete seasoning. Okay. And I'm gonna put some paprika. Those are fresh herb. They're not gonna do nothing to you. Okay. So here I have some fresh sour orange. I like to cook with sour orange. That gives your meat another taste, and it make it brown too better. In Haiti, we even clean the meat with sour orange more than lime when you have it. Here I have some chicken bouillon. It's a little piece left in that. I'm gonna put it. Okay. There's another piece, you know, that left over. I'm gonna put them to marinate my meat. Alright, now I can massage my meat with those things. Then after that, I'm gonna just pour the other thing on it and let it boil. You can even just, you know, boil your meat like that, cook your meat like that. with the dry season only. Put onion powder, garlic powder, and everything. So if you don't have fresh garlic, yeah. Si vous va gen fresh en l'ail, vous gen doit mettre poudre l'ail. C'est même résultat. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Abonnez, partagez, like. Guys, j'ai quelques vidéos qui te gen musique haïtien sou yo. Et m'ba vle gen copyright. So, n'apre m rediffuze yo. S'il vous plaît, toujours gardez yo. Bon viewer, bon like la dan yo. Même si m'te wel déjà. C'est ça que fait si nous m rediffuze on bagay m'te mette déjà. C'est peut-être musique là, me retirer musique là. M'ga pas mette ou bien mettons l'autre musique que YouTube pas copyright me. Okay? Alright. So, kunya la. That's beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Ça belle. Kunya la ma mette bay sa yo. Just si men yo sou li. Okay? Dem retire même nan mi tan la pour nou ka wè. Nap just si men yo sou li. Tomate. Comment pour le faire bagou à mes amis? The smell very nice. Yep. Smell good. So, et puis, we're gonna put some our pepper and our bouquet of persil. Then we're gonna put it on our stove to boil, guys. Okay? Alright, we don't always have everything. E ba tout temps nou gen tout bagay, le nou va gen épices, men nou. Ay bon bagay ma ban nou la. Le nou va gen épices, rache bagay yo met la dan. Ok, manger ap soti même jan, bien goût, bien bagay. Alright. Now we're gonna put some water. Since it's a fall chicken, it's gonna be needed more water to cook. So, since son poul di sa poul di a c'est un coup poul pays, la besoin un petit de l'eau en plus. So, c'est ça que fait mettre petit de l'eau ça comme ça. Si c'était l'autre poul là, m'tap mettre de l'eau à pi bas. OK? Kounya la, nous pral chercher couverte là, m'a couvrir pour le bouillir. Guys, là, on gen de l'eau nan ka bouillir. On gen tan laver noir mwen. On va mettre le bouillir pour 10 à 15 minutes. Pas quitter le bouillir trop pour pas craser. OK? I have my water, it's boiled. I'm gonna put my nut. Okay, here we go. Putting my nut. This is cashew. I'm gonna let my cashew boil for 10 minutes. The most is 15. 10 to 15 minutes. Okay? I don't put no salt, no nothing in it. Here I have my meat and my chicken that boiled. Okay, it's boiled. I'm gonna put it in another bowl, and then so I can brown it. I'm gonna make it brown. Okay, guys. Je vais mettre dans l'autre bol pour me capable de faire prendre couleur. Okay? Je vais le vider. In that same pan, I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Okay? A bit of oil. And some tomato paste. Some some tomato paste. Don't hear about the noise, guys. Okay. Guys, I put a little bit of that liquid from the chicken. Put in it. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start putting my chicken back. Wow. Without the good juice and all these veggies in it. I want to save that for the sauce. Hey. You see, all that I'm saving it for the sauce. I'm not gonna risk it. Okay, yeah, we're gonna steam it. Right here, I have some rice, beautiful, going on here. On a continuer, utiliser de l'eau note là. On va utiliser n'importe l'autre de l'eau. Moi-même, je vais utiliser de l'eau note là pour mouser la veine. Ok. So. Un bon petit collet en bas. Good. Okay. Guys, kwenye na mette de l'eau sauce noire. Ok. Mettez de l'eau sauce là. On va mettre un pile de l'eau. And then ma vide not mwen. Any? Vide not la. Cashew. Noir. Whatever you call it. And I'm gonna continue to steam it until my sauce is reduced a little bit thick. Oh my goodness, guys. Thank God I didn't put a lot of water here. My other, the water, the chicken water. Thank God I didn't put too much water, because I will not be able to put the liquid from the chicken. Wow, I almost forget it. Anyway, it's gonna be perfect because the sauce look good. Mes amis, manke bliye d'lo pou l'mwen, oui? Hey, hey. Sauce la gen tan bien pres, san beaucoup bagay reji même. Manke bliye d'lo pou l'mwen. Bon, j'ai fait pour le di pa kon krasé. Tu comprends? Il va bien cuit tout. So, mettez le bac pour le bouillir. On met un petit piment dans le bac là-dedans, de retirer. On quitte le bouillir. Et puis pour sauce la réduit. Et puis c'est ça. Ok guys, c'est comme ça manger à sorti. Ouais, sauce là, pour mettre dans le temps pour nous elle bien. Ok? Vidéo assez sous sauce là le basé. C'est comme ça sauce là sorti guys. Bien là, j'aime goûter manger à. Goûter du riz à. Ma ponti du riz. Goûter manger à pour nous. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Abonnez, partagez, like. Merci parce que nous te fait out la avec. Thank you for always watching my video. Welcome my new subscriber. Bienvenue nouveau abonné mieux. Nous allons goûter manger ya. OK, ma ponti noir. C'est ça là. OK, mes ponti noir. C'est peut-être ça, seulement j'ai goût en pile, oui. I love it. Un petit viande. Ouais, ça, pas besoin pile viande. Juste pour me goûter. Ouais. Bon, ma petit cal dans ça. Juste pour me goûter, guys. Men. Ouais. Nous allons goûter. Et puis, on va mettre un petit cal, un pigot moussou. Viande. OK. Okay. Here you go, guys. You see? Okay. Don't bump him up. Let's try it. We're trying it. Yeah. Very good. Very good. It's really nice. Gotta try it. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video. Nan pren nan yon lot video, guys. Merci paske nte gade.